This is a video for employers to demonstrate how to register and to know all about Experienship. Let's get started. Go to Edubild.com. Scroll to reach the footer where you can click on Login as Employer. Click on Sign Up to create an account. Enter the required details in two parts of the partner registration form. Click on Register to send employer account verification request. You will receive a confirmation mail from us shortly, Tim. To mark your verifications. After verification, you can go to Employer Login page to enter your email and password to log in. You are now on the Edubild Employer Portal dashboard. Let's create your first Experienship. Click on Create Experienship. Fill the form with relevant information. Select the start and end dates wisely to make enough time for applications and selection process for the Experienship. Click on Create when you are done. Congratulations, you have posted your first Experienship. You can see the Experienship you just posted in the upcoming section. If there is any mistake or update, you can click on Edit and Update. You can click on the View List of Applicants button to see the students who have applied. Accept or reject an applicant from the Action column. You can also delete an Experienship by clicking the Block button if required. The students who have already applied would be notified about it. The Experienship post will be transferred to the ongoing Experienship section after the start date, automatically. We suggest you to conduct an orientation to brief selected candidates about your Experienship. Mark status of the same here using this drop-down. After the end date of Experienship, the post will be transferred to the completed section. You can take actions like marking candidates' attendance, issuing certificates, rating students, and comment for personal reference. Thank you for choosing us.